So first of all, you will go to edit, preferences, then you must search for the boot tool add-on. When you search for boot tool, you will enable it in your preferences, because if you do not do that, it won't work. So now you add your mesh, the other mesh to use. Like now I'm adding a cube, so I'll scale it down, bring it out. Okay, now it's right here. Now the next thing you're going to do is to hold shift and left click in the other mesh, and it will highlight the both of it. Then you tap Control minus. You tap Control minus, then you will see it has make a cut, a deep cut in it. Then the next thing you will do is you will select the invisible object right here. You will select it, go to your modifier style, add a solidify modifier. Then you will change the solidify modifier thickness to 0.1, or you can make it in any value you want to do it. And I take it to 0.2. Then right here you can see that is a cut. Then the next thing you do is you go to add a bevel modifier, so that you will make it look round and smooth. Then increase the segment to any value you want. I can say I increase mine to 20. Then you can see here it is working here. That is the easiest way to make a cut.